What is EDC? Let's settle this once and for all. So I was researching today when I remembered viewers asking, what exactly is EDC? I Googled it and yikes. Found either AI jargon or some guy waving a hobby knife and 3D printed widgets calling it EDC. Seriously? No coherent explanation out there? Let me break down real EDC toys as I know them. EDC equals everyday carry. An EDC toy, simply put, something you'd willingly carry daily, fiddle with for stress relief, and genuinely enjoy touching. But couldn't I carry a rock and call it EDC? Sure, you do you. Label anything your EDC that's your right. But in the EDC community, true EDC toys mean premium materials: titanium, zirconium, Timascus, Zircuti, copper. Advanced composites, G10, PEEK, micarta. Refined designs with satisfying mechanics and collectible value. Mass-produced 3D prints? They're fun DIY toys, but lack the precision, heft, and craftsmanship defining real EDC gear. Final take. True EDC toys equals daily carry, worthy, tactily addictive, design-forward pieces with soul. Agree? Tap subscribe for fresh EDC gems weekly.